Hello everyone, this is Mr. Olson, and today I'm going to show you how to use the image tool that's located in your ribbon in Autodesk Inventor. The nice thing about the image tool is you can actually import any image that you have or that you find online, and you can actually trace that out and make that image into Autodesk Inventor. So to start, I'm going to start a 2D sketch. I'm going to click on the XY plane, which is what I normally work on in 2D. Okay, you'll notice on the ribbon is the image button. Okay, this is where you're going to insert that image. Now before you can click on this button, you need to make sure that you have saved an image to your H drive. That way you can load that image up in Autodesk Inventor. Since I've already done that, I'm going to click on Image. Okay, I am already in my H drive. If you are not there, you just need to make sure you click on this arrow and then go find your H drive. I'm going to scroll down to find my image, and the image that I have is just a basic outline of a star. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to go over and open it. Now you're going to see as I move my mouse, this is the outline of my image. So once I click, it's going to put that image into Autodesk Inventor. However, you'll see that it still has that outline of the image. It is ready to place another image as well. So what I want to do is make sure I hit escape on my keyboard. That way it doesn't place another image. Now I'm going to use the view cube and hit front so I can zoom out a little bit so I can see my whole image. Now one of the main problems we have with an image is that you don't know the size of this image. So you need to make sure you're using the dimension tool to figure out that size, or change it if you need to. So if I click on dimension and I click on the side and I drag over and click again, I know that my image has a height of 2.54 inches. Okay, so if I need to change that, maybe I want it at 5 inches, I can type in 5, hit enter. Now the nice thing about this is it locks the X and Y together. So if this is 5, that means this has also gone up at the same size as well. Okay, so that way it doesn't stretch your image. Now at this point, if I were to try to put this into a drawing, you're not really going to see anything because we've not made this 3D. So you have to trace it out by using the line tool. So I'm going to quickly do that by clicking through. When you are clicking through, the closer together those lines are, or the closer those clicks are, the more it's going to look like your object, especially if you have a rounded object. So keep that in mind. This I'm clicking through really quickly. And then I'm going to go back to my original starting point. Once I do this, I can finish my sketch. Okay, I'm going to zoom out by using that house button. Now when I hit extrude, you're going to see that it's going to extrude that star. If I want it at 1 inch, I can change that to a different size if I want. I'm going to hit OK, and now I have that basic shape, and I know it's a good star because I got that image. If you do it just by looking at it, it's probably not going to turn out as well as this. So that's the image tool, and hopefully you'll find some good use for it.